My name is Jacob. Sometimes I don't have enough food at home to take lunch to school. On those days, my teacher gives me lunch. She says it's from Brown Bagging for Calgary's Kids, which is lots and lots and lots of people who give time and money to make sure 2,900 kids have lunch every day. The Incredible Prosser Foundation has pledged a donation of $60,000 if Brown Bagging receives 240 gifts by June 15th. Gifts of all sizes make a difference, and every dollar helps feed kids like me, so my friends and I can grow, learn, and play. Grab your family, friends, coworkers, and neighbors and tell them my story, and then visit Brown Bagging's website and gift a lunch today to help reach a total of 240 gifts. It's amazing what we can do together.